It's just fired.
Alright guys, in the shop today, got a 2006 Chrysler 300 SRT8. Car's stock right now. It's got an intake and exhaust obviously, but we're going to put a cam, stage 2 cam, springs, retainers, things like that on it. We just got it off the dyno, baseline 373 horsepower, 376. Hang on, I'll tell you. Let's see, baselined. Oh, I'm sorry, 367. So it's not bad. So we're gonna go through, get the cam in, and then if we see anything else that we think we need to change, we're gonna do that. So let's start taking it apart.
Got off the wires. When I close my eyes, disconnected and tired. I see you, yeah. And I know you keep asking me, flames and fire. I know you are done with me. It's just fired. It's just fired.
Wrong, but I made it right. You came begging day and night. I don't wanna hit the bottom, don't go out of your state of mind.
I've been counting 1 to 10.
I'll be back when you be down.
With my music again and again. I see, yeah, I see you go down. Yeah, I see you go down. I see, yeah, I see you go down. Yeah, I see you go down. And I know you keep asking me, flames and fire. I know you are done with me. It's just fired. I see you go down, yeah, I see you go down. I see you go down, yeah, I see you just fired.
Alright guys, we got the valve covers off. Craig's taking the rockers and stuff off right now. Intake's off, power steering pump's off. So we'll let you know when we get all the rockers and stuff off, and we'll go to the next step. Alright guys, we are changing valve springs on this thing. So we got this neat little tool here that lets us change springs on the car. What we do is we just put air in, holds the valve up, then we just run this deal right here down. Now let this go down far enough to get both the keepers off. Then take the old spring, then what you do, Because on 6.1s, these spring keepers, you got to put on the new springs. They don't have them. So, what you do, little hack is, I take snap ring pliers, make it where you squeeze them and spread apart. Camera. And then I stick them in here. And I squeeze it, spin the spring some, let loose, then come up here to the top, squeeze it, and the spring comes right out. That way, take your new spring, squeeze this open, slide it up on, take them out, take your hand, push it the rest way up there. Now your spring keeper is on your new spring. Alright guys, so we got the front of the motor off, everything's loose, getting ready to pull the stock cam out and install the new cam. Alright guys, just stuck the new cam in, so now we're going to start buttoning all the front of this stuff back up, and we'll check on y'all in just a minute. Alright guys, so cam's in, rockers are all on, so Mo's putting that valve cover on, so we'll get this valve cover on and we should be close to getting ready to try to start this thing up for the first time. Alright guys, so we just finished up the cam install on this 6.1 Hemi, and we're about to do the first startup. So we've got some coolant in it, we have to bleed the coolant system, but let's see if it starts for the first time.